A warm good afternoon to every one of you present here. Uh, to the incredible parents, grandparents, and families who have gathered here today. Welcome to Young Voices Parents' Day Special.
An evening filled with storytelling, expressions, and most importantly, gratitude. Today isn't just a performance, it's a celebration of you parents, the hearts behind every confident child, the hands that hold them up, and the voices they carry within them.
At Young Voices, we believe that confidence, communication, and creativity aren't just skills, they're life tools. And none of these would have been possible without love and belief at our own home. So today, our young stars will take the stage, not to impress, but to express, not to show off, but to show up, just for you. Before we begin, they've spent days learning how to emote, articulate, and imagine. But behind every brave performance, here is a parent sitting who has said, "Don't worry, beta, you can do this. I believe in you." Our theme for the evening, any guesses for our theme? Parents' Day is the event about. That's the topic. Now, who here knows what the skit is going to be? There's a special surprise for you who already knows, जिसके बच्चे ने बता दिया है.
गलती से बता दिया बिकॉज बच्चों को मना किया था कि पेरेंट्स के लिए ये सरप्राइज है बट यशवी आई डोंट थिंक एनीबडी वुड बी नोइंग
Does anyone know there's a surprise? If you all know,
मतलब बच्चों ने लॉयल्टी दिखाई है
proud of you all.
एनीवेज आवर थीम फॉर द इवनिंग इज रूट्स एंड विंग्स बिकॉज वॉट पेरेंट्स गिव अस इज एग्जैक्टली दैट यू नो हम सबके पेरेंट्स ने भी तो हमें यही दिया है एक रूट्स जो हमेशा हमें अपनी ज़मीं से अपनी धरोहर से जोड़े रखता है अपने संस्कारों से सींचता है और विंग्स जो हमें बड़े होने पर आज़ाद आसमान में उड़ने का मौका देता है हमें अपनी एक इमेज बनाने का हम पे विश्वास रख के हमें हौसलों से उड़ने का आसमान देता है roots that keeps us grounded in values and wings that helps us soar towards our dreams.
We'll do the Deep Prajwalan by our chief guest.
So Mrs. Shailaja Shaili जो यशवी और राशि के टीचर थे मतलब प्लीज आइए
I used to go to her for storytelling classes and now I myself am taking storytelling classes. Thank you, Miss.
So इनका ये दहीसर में रहते हैं और इनका ब्रेन स्मार्ट और कहानी कलाकार के करके एक ग्रुप है जो शायद मेरे बच्चे छोटे थे तब से मैं इनको देखती हूँ इतने अच्छे इमोशंस एंड एक्सप्रेशन से ये स्टोरी टेलिंग की क्लासेस लेते थे पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट में उन्होंने मेरे बच्चों की बहुत सारी मदद की है एंड आज मुझे बहुत अच्छा फील हो रहा है गर्व फील हो रहा है कि मेरे टीचर मेरे बच्चों को आशीर्वाद देने यहाँ पे आए हैं सो उनके हाथों से एंड मैं मिलाना चाहूँगी मेरे मदर इन लॉ मिसेस मीना बेन राडिया से उनसे भी हम बहुत कुछ सीखे हैं बच्चों को भी उन्होंने बहुत कुछ सिखाया है मुझे भी बहुत कुछ सिखाया है तो आज हम उन दोनों से दीप प्रज्वलित करवाएंगे एंड यहाँ पे उसके बाद हम अपनी इवेंट को आगे बढ़ाएंगे सो प्लीज़ 2 मिनट की शांति बच्चा पार्टी एंड यू ऑल
जो भी अब बोलेगा यहाँ पे डांस करने के लिए रेडी हो ना सब जो बोलना है अभी जिसको नाउ आई सी द साइलेंस वेरी गुड gonna play right now it's not a game but yeah we're going to do something what do you think we're doing who here are with their parents like the parents and their parents can you please raise your hands? I want you all to come forward. The parent and their parent. I want all of you to come forward. As in बच्चों के mom dad और दादा दादी या नाना नानी. Can we have a round of applause for all of them? 2 words for your mother, please.
2 words for my mother?
Yeah.
यार ये तो Hey, what do you say about mother, man? If you can complete anything about mother in 2 words, then it's not worth it. It will take a long time. But of course, man, I'm stumped. No, I mean everything that we are. I'm sure on behalf of everybody, but personally for me also, everything that I am today, in terms of a human being, professional, and in terms of my family, is all thanks to what I've learned seeing my mom and dad. So, I mean, what more can you say beyond that?
आप 2 शब्द बोले अब.
बेटे के बारे में ओके मीरा इज माय ग्रैंड डॉटर ओवर हियर
Meera Sanghvi. She's one of our youngest child here.
शी इज माय granddaughter मीरा संघवी and very sweet. My full day is going with her and I'm very glad to have her with me. And my son, I must say he's very good son for me.
That was so sweet of y'all. Y'all can go back to places. Meera, you have to go in the room. Anybody else who's here with their parents as well? Introduce yourself and then you can begin. 2 lines for her. Can we have Dhairya Zaveri here, please? Dhairya Zaveri, I want you to come here. मम्मा और दादी के पास आ जाओ.
Yeah, he's my son.
Very brilliant, I must say.
Yeah, and she's the one who is brought up actually.
Because every time I hear Dhairya say, दादी लेने आने वाली है.
That's how.
She's waiting for me in the lobby.
So he's more son to her than me.
So cute.
मुझे बेटी तो है नहीं लेकिन बेटी का मतलब क्या है वो मुझे अभी पता चला.
राशि बदल अंदर. ठीक है.
अब पता चला जब माइक अपने हाथ में आता है तो बोलना कितना डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है. हमारे बच्चे हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ बोलने के लिए हम लोग उनको प्रमोट करते हैं. सो नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट विद द दीप प्रज्वलन, सरस्वती पूजन एंड उसके बाद हमारा इवेंट शुरू हो.
We have Atul sir here now, who has generously given us all the mic system, sound system, mics, videography, photography. Can we have a huge round of applause for him as well? Atul sir, आगे आइए ना 2 मिनट please. अतुल सर, आज पेरेंट्स डे, 2 लाइन अपने माता पिता के लिए बोलिए.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल तो मैं आपको थैंक यू कहना चाहूँगा कि इतना अच्छा इनोवेटिव प्रोग्राम कर रहे हैं, वो भी स्काई सिटी में. दूसरे छोटे बिल्डिंग्स में कुछ रहता है, किधर छोटी जगह पे कुछ रहता है, लेकिन यहाँ पर इतना अच्छा प्रोग्राम कर रहे हैं. और रियली थैंक्स टू ऑल ऑफ यू कि आप लोग ने स्पेशल टाइम निकाला और बच्चे लोग ने आपके लिए कुछ अच्छा प्रोग्राम किया. तो इन्होंने जस्ट बात किया तो मैं बोला कि इतना अच्छा है तो ये तो सब चीज़ होना ही चाहिए. और सब मोस्टली मेरा इन हाउस टीम है, तो ऐसे प्रोग्राम के लिए ऑलवेज आई एम विथ यू. और स्पेशली मैं मेरे माता पिता के लिए यही कहना चाहूँगा, मेरे फादर के लिए. मेरे फादर ऑलरेडी किसी ने मेरे फादर को दत्तक लिया था जब भी वो 5 साल के थे. और मेरे फादर ऐसे, आई एम फ्रॉम कच्छ, तो ऐसे गांव में रहते हैं जो मैंने आज 40 साल पहले देखा था, वही गांव अभी भी वैसा ही है. तो जो बॉम्बे के कॉटन एक्सचेंज के अच्छे बिजनेसमैन थे, उन्होंने मेरे फादर को दत्तक लिया था. और वो यहाँ पर फोर्ट में आए और उन्होंने उनका स्टडी स्ट्रीट लाइट में किया हुआ था. और उसी में वो आगे बढ़ते गए और बैंक में उन्होंने जॉब किया। अच्छे क्रिकेटर थे, क्रिकेट भी अच्छा खेला, तो अच्छा स्टडी करके वो एकदम स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड बैंकर्स थे। तो मैं आज रियली प्राउड फील करता हूँ कि उनकी वजह से मैं मुंबई में आया, नहीं तो मैं भी आज वही छोटे से गांव में होता। तो थैंक्स टू माय फादर मदर एंड थैंक यू। मदर ने तो जो संस्कार दिए हैं कि स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड जैसे पिताजी चले थे वैसे ही आपको चलना है, तो आज उन लोग की वजह से मैं यहाँ पर हूँ। थैंक्स टू माय मदर एंड फादर, थैंक यू।
सर एक सेकेंड वेट कीजिए। माई फादर विल फेलिसिटेट हिम विद अ बुके नाउ। थैंक यू सर।
एंड यशवी, अभी आप दादी और आपके टीचर का सम्मान करेंगे। यस।
आज काफ़ी पेरेंट्स के पेरेंट्स भी है, बट किस किस के पेरेंट्स अभी उनके साथ नहीं है, शायद घर पे हो, शायद मम्मी के घर पे हो। कैन यू प्लीज़ रेज योर हैंड्स, नहीं तो मैं फिर खुद से सिलेक्ट करूँगी। प्लीज़ कम अहेड, प्लीज़ कम अहेड। आई वांट 5 more पेरेंट्स। विश्वजीत अंकल, 2 from your as well, जिनके पेरेंट्स अभी उनके साथ नहीं है पर घर पे है, किधर और है। आशीष अंकल, प्लीज कम फॉरवर्ड, वी नीड मोर 2। धवल भाई, kids are confident enough to perform for you. You should be confident enough to at least do something for your parents. One more from this side. I'll select by myself. Please come forward. Thank you. Your name, please?
अर्पित कोठारी।
आशीष बोत्रा।
मौशमी मेहता।
मित्सु दलाल।
विश्वजीत सुखीजा।
प्रिया शर्मा।
All of you just come in the center. I want you all to send a voice message because call तो यहाँ पे होगा नहीं, we're out of network here. I want all of you to send a voice message to your parents saying that you love them. The people sitting in the audience can do that as well. In fact, I want you all to do that. That would be a great thing for your parents as well, right? Chalo, send a voice.
Love you, Papa and Mummy. You have taken a lot of care of us and given a good guidance to us. Love you.
Thank you.
1 second.
So they wouldn't know, but today is Parents' Day, and I would like to take this opportunity, Mummy and Daddy, to say that I love you a lot, and what I am today, what I am, is all because of you. And thank you for everything that you've done for me.
1 second. Love you, Mom. Thanks for giving me such a inspiration to be a great human being. And my father is not alive, but I miss you, Papa, a lot. Thank you. Yeah.
That was so cute.
Wanted to wish you happy Parents' Day and thank you for whatever you have taught me, and I am here because of you people. Thank you.
I'm not messaging my father. My father is busy partying in Vietnam. But my mother-in-law is in the hospital actually. So I want to wish her.
Please go ahead.
Hello, Mama. Wish you a very, very happy recovery. Thanks for giving me your daughter. She has been a very big support to me.
That's a compliment.
Hope you come home so quickly.
That's so cute.
Happy Parents' Day, Mama.
You are so strong, and you raised me very well. I really glad to have you in my life. You are a superhero of my life. I love you, Mom. Thank you.
Can we all have a big round of applause for them? Audience में किसने किया? Raise your hands honestly.
घर जाके बोल देना.
घर जाके I love you बोल के हक कर देना, खुश हो जाएंगे वो लोग भी. Please have a seat. Thank you. We can now begin with our performance. We have all the kids present. So I want you all to sit back, soak it in. Record करने की घाई मत करना. We have all the videos coming in. Laugh, cry, feel, because this is for you. From your child's heart straight to yours.
Let the celebration begin. Thank you for being here. We are so excited to present something very special for you today, straight from our hearts. Every scene you see is a piece of our imagination, shaped by what they have learned at young voices and what we have learned from you, our parents. Because of you, we found our voices.
So the first scene is going to be about honesty. I want Khushi Savani and Parini Chheda here. Khushi Savani.
A big round of applause.
A big round of applause. I want all the parents to clap before the scene, after the scene. Khushi Savani, she is inside. Khushi will begin our act.
Mama, I didn't do great, but I told the truth. Marks and grades will change, but honesty, it will stay with you forever.
This scene showcased that the girl did not cheat on her exam. She got less marks. But because of her mother's support, she knew that she will do well in the next exam. Can we all have a round of applause? Parents का काम क्या होता है? Pressure करना कि साथ देना? I want you all to answer on the count of 1, 2, 3. Don't pressure your kids. Let them come marks आए एक टेस्ट में. They'll do better next time. Thank you, Khushi and Parini. Next up, I want Vihika Kothari and Rihanna Rughani. This act is going to be about kindness. Vihika will start.
Papa, why should I share my tiffin? They never thank me. Kindness is not about your heart, beta.
She meant to say kindness isn't about thanks, it's about your heart. Thank you. Do all parents agree with this? Thank you. Next up, Piyanshika Rathod and Rihanna Karya. We don't have Rihanna Karya, so I'll perform with her.
I will give up. I am tired.
Winners aren't born, beta. They are built one step at a time, and I'm here for you. This scene showcased us that a child wants to give up, but her parent is supporting her. So parents always support your children. Next up, Zenisha Shah and Falak Palnay. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing that incorrectly. Zenisha Shah and Falak.
What difference does a thank you even make? It turns a child into a human, beta, and a human into a light.
Clap, please. This scene showcased us that thank you always matters. Not because they are not helping you, they're not being kind to you, but हम छोटी छोटी चीज़ों के लिए भी thank you बोलेंगे. While walking out, we thank our parents. While in the lift, we thank our lift man. While walking, we thank somebody who just picked something for us. Anything, a thank you really matters. It can make somebody else's day as well. Next up, I want Vedi Jain, Ayansh Singhal and Adya Rane. This scene is going to be about confidence.
I am scared to speak in the class. Scared is fine, but silence is not. She stood up and all clapped for her.
This scene showcased us that a child was scared to speak up in class, but her father told us that to be scared is fine, but never be silent. And then her teacher told us that today she stood up in the class and whole class clapped for her. Sayali Bhutra, R.V. Agarwal, Myra Mehta and Mitansh Sarda. This is a poetry showcased by the children to all the parents.
Yes, this is a beautiful poem written just to showcase कि हमारे आजकल के गैजेटिक वर्ल्ड में पेरेंट्स जो इतने बिजी है तो उनको बच्चों से कुछ चाहिए रहता है. आप बोल सकते हो क्या चाहिए बच्चों से? टाइम. एग्जैक्टली. हम सब कुछ दे पाते हैं पर कहीं ना कहीं हम मिस आउट कर जाते हैं थोड़ा सा वक्त देना. एंड आज उनको सिर्फ आपके प्यार की, आपके कॉन्फिडेंस की, आपके टाइम की ज़रूरत है. तो ये बच्चे एक थोड़ा सा फनी वे में आपको बताएंगे कि वो उनको आपसे क्या चाहिए.
पापा को कार चाहिए, मम्मी को हीरो वाला हार चाहिए, पर कोई ना जाने हम बच्चों को क्या चाहिए. हम बच्चों को तो मम्मी पापा का प्यार चाहिए. पापा कहते हैं बंगले 2-4 चाहिए, बैंक बैलेंस जोरदार चाहिए, पर कोई ना जाने हम बच्चों को क्या चाहिए. हम बच्चों को पापा का दुलार चाहिए. मम्मी कहती है इंस्टा और व्हाट्सएप चाहिए, किटी और थीम पार्टीज चाहिए, बट कोई ना जाने हम बच्चों को क्या चाहिए. हम बच्चों को मम्मी की आंचल की छाप चाहिए. ना पार्टी, ना पैसा चाहिए, ना बर्गर, ना पिज़्ज़ा चाहिए, पर कोई ना जाने हम बच्चों को क्या चाहिए. हम बच्चों को मम्मी पापा का साथ चाहिए.
That was it, guys. A huge round of applause for the 4 of them. And my mother, who has written this poetry by herself. Like when me and my sister were little kids, she used to make us participate in all the competitions at school. I used to collect certificates for every competition. And now she has written this herself and we have showcased it to you all. A huge round of applause again. Dhairya Zaveri, can we have you?
कितना चाहिए?
Yeah.
You gave us roots, deep, strong, and silent. And now it's time for wings.
Next up, I want Tvisha Dalal and Naira Bothra. This scene is going to be about a stage shy child, a child who is afraid of being on the stage.
I have things to say, but what if I mess up?
Mess up, cry, pause, but speak because your voice matters.
Every voice matters. A huge round of applause. Next up, Zaisha, Darshini and Adrit. This scene is going to be about fear versus courage. Zaisha, Darshini and Adrit. Adrit Agarwal, he's inside. Start, Zaisha.
Should I speak or stay quiet? What if they laugh? What if they laugh?
What if they laugh?
What if they listen?
He's saying, what if they listen? A child is scared. She's asking a question.
Should I speak or stay quiet?
Then her friend is replying, what if they laugh? And another friend is helping her out. What if they listen? A huge round of applause for these 3 kids. Thank you.
I need to go home. Papa is sitting behind.
Next up, I want Meera Tulshan, Meera Sangvi and Thasvika Rantala. This is about friends and affirmations. Do your parents, all of you know what affirmations are? Who doesn't know? They'll teach you what it is going to be. Start, Meera. Wait, we don't have Meera Sangvi. Come. Come here. Start, Meera.
I write affirmations every night. This is so weird.
No, it's very brave.
I know. My parents taught me this.
In this scene, she's the child and these are two of her friends. Her parents have taught her to write affirmations every night. Affirmations are something my mom will explain in better way.
जो भी आप चाहते हो ना कुदरत से, वो आप हमेशा पॉजिटिव बातें बोला कीजिए. मैनिफेस्टेशन, अफर्मेशंस शुड बी अवर डेली लाइफ प्रोसेस, जो हम यंग वॉइसेस में बच्चों को सिखाते हैं. एंड जब हम बच्चों को बताते हैं तो बहुत सारे बच्चे हमें आकर ये बताते हैं कि हमारे मम्मी पापा भी हमें यही सिखाते हैं. सो ऑफकोर्स वी आर दिस अफर्मेशंस एंड मैनिफेस्टेशंस आर द पार्ट ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी वंस लाइफ. एंड बच्चों आप देखिए, उनको सिखा के रोज़ उनसे ये प्रैक्टिस करवाइए. यू विल सी द चेंज इन योर चाइल्ड्स लाइफ. थैंक यू.
We have had children who have written more than 50 affirmations for our homework given. Next up, Swara, Dvija and Yashika. Start, Swara.
I want to become an artist. Your marks are not even that high.
Chase what lights you up. We would be proud either way.
This scene showcased about chasing dreams, where a girl wanted to become an artist, but her friend told her that your marks are not even that high. In today's generation, marks is not everything, and her mother helped us chase her dream. Then, can we clap for them? Next up, we have Ridan Veera, Dhairya Zaveri, Mitansh Sarda, Kivit Parekh, Mahir Tanna, Aditya Khamkar. Again, showcasing another poem written by my mother. Ridan, order. Ridan, second Dhairya, third Mitansh, fourth Kivit, fifth Iyana Sharma as well. Sorry, Iyana, I forgot your name. Please.
Come in the middle, Iyana.
She's the only girl performing with all these guys. Can we have a clap for them?
Yes. With expressions and emotions.
This poem is especially for all the fathers sitting here. We know you don't showcase your emotions, but at least आज के दिन तो दिखा दो.
ये पोएट्री सिर्फ सब पापाओं के लिए है. मैंने अपने बच्ची सीनियर केजी में थी जब मेरी बेटी फादर्स डे पे ये लिखा था एंड शी गॉट फर्स्ट प्राइज, तो उसके पापा को हर बार जाके यही पोएट्री सुना देती है.
तो क्या हुआ अगर लोरियां नहीं आती, पर झूला झूला कर प्यार से सुलाते हैं पापा. तो क्या हुआ अगर हर कदम पर साथ नहीं, लेकिन उंगली पकड़कर चलना सिखाते हैं पापा. तो क्या हुआ अगर हर पल आसपास नहीं, पर गिरती साइकिल से संभलना सिखाते हैं पापा.
तो क्या हुआ अगर हर टाइम अपने लैपटॉप पे व्यस्त रहते हैं पापा. हमारी छोटी छोटी मुश्किलों को चुटकियों में सुलझा देते हैं पापा.
तो क्या हुआ अगर हमारे बदतमीजियों पे चिल्लाते हैं, पर वो अच्छी बातें, अच्छी आदतें सिखाते हैं पापा. तो क्या हुआ अगर ऑफिस से घर लेता है, पर अपनी मीठी मीठी बातों में अपनी रूठी गुड़िया को मनाते हैं पापा. ढेर सारे गिफ्ट्स, चॉकलेट्स और अपनी प्यारी सी गुड़िया को बिना मांगे ही दिलाते हैं पापा.
तो क्या हुआ अगर पलकों पर आंसू नहीं आती है, पर हमारी हर दर्द दिल से अश्क बहाते हैं पापा.
और मम्मा, आप हमारे जीवन की रेलगाड़ी हो, मगर इस गाड़ी को चलवाने के लिए पेट्रोल डलवाते हैं पापा.
मम्मा, आप हमारा दिल
हो,
लेकिन
दिल की धड़कन है पापा. We love you पापा. You are the best पापा of the world.
Can we have a round of applause for all of them? All kids here, सब आ जाओ. All of the kids here for a group photo. All kids come.
बच्चों ने कुछ कुछ वर्ड्स इधर उधर कर दिए, बट दे स्पोक वेरी नाइसली. और ये जब वो बता रहे थे ना, तो वो लोग मुझे हमें अपने पापा की स्टोरीज जो घर पे होती है वो भी बता रहे थे. So we know secrets of every papa.
We have 2-3 kids here as well who want to say something additional. Tvisha, where are you?
मम्मी हमारी दिल है, पापा हमारे दिमाग है। हम सबको जोड़कर हम एक मजबूत परिवार है।
वाह, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड।
एक ग्रुप फोटो ले लो ना।
हाँ, ग्रुप फोटो ले लो। हाँ, या कम बेटा, कम
कम बैक,
कम बैक।
थोड़ा सा पीछे आ जाओ।
यस, कम। छोटू भी। हाँ, अच्छा एक मिनट। बच्चों पार्टी, यू कम हियर। आ लोग ने यहाँ दौरा शी। कम। छोटू बेबी कम हियर। आप यहाँ पे आ जाओ।
Then we have some surprises for the parents and as well as the kids as well.
Come beta, come here. Come. Yes, come. Come. राशि उभी रह तू भी।
मत उभी अभी जा।
यहाँ पे खड़े रहो, बस परफेक्ट। Yes. Come, come आगे। Yes. Smile everyone. Say cheers.
That's great. All of y'all can just बच्चा पार्टी इधर आगे बैठ जाओ, आगे बैठ जाओ. Just leave the middle space and face towards where y'all were performing. उल्टा उल्टा और ये space छोड़ दो. Parini to this side and खुशी to this side. बीच में आने जाने की तो जगह. Like to say something which they experienced, they felt. Sure, I'll pass you. Can you please come ahead? Guys, introduce yourself and then start.
So, my name is Ankur Sharma. We stay in Tower B, 4706. Yashashvi, right? Yashvi, okay. So, first of all, I think, Yashvi, I'll thank you for organizing this. Most importantly, I think the thought process behind, jotting down all the thinking to put up this skit, we all are feeling it. Huh? So that is something which you can take it up from us, that while we are sitting and, right now, see, I can speak very easily, but after listening all these skits, I'm not able to, I'm really feeling inside, So I think that is something very, very important, whatever you define. So, defining skit, you have a lot of content available. But, linking this with the kids is something very... And why I'm saying it, because when Iana started this class, me and Priya was discussing and we were thinking, whether she will have that interest right now itself or not. Because right now they are more often playing, going out, and doing stuff which they want with their friends. For this, whether she will have that interest right now itself or not. But, just after your first class, she came back and, she was so overwhelmed with that class. She was throughout that day, she is saying, when is the next class? I have to go. So that is why I wanted to come and share with you that experience, which is really, really phenomenal. Thanks for your generosity and, ensuring that kids show up every day is something really good. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you.
Anybody else would like to come up, please?
Hi, I'm Maushmi Mehta from A Wing 5702. We've just moved in here a month ago. But after moving in here, I've heard so much about Young Voices. Myra, my daughter, still isn't a part of the, the course or the program yet. But Yashvi was kind enough to take Myra for the skit and give her this opportunity, this platform to come and express herself. And Yashvi, this is like, there's so many emotions that have been brought up today. I couldn't control my tears when Myra was talking about social media because I myself am a child psychologist and I know that it is very, very, in this era, it is very, very important to give your kids some time, apart from the digital world that we're all into. We're busy with our own work, busy with our own schedules and busy with our, rest of the time browsing the net. So I think we should all keep our phones aside whenever we are with our kids, and you'll be surprised how much they have to talk to you. So very well done, Yashvi. So proud of you. And may you keep doing much, much more. And Myra will definitely be a part of your program henceforth. Thank you so much.
Anybody else would like to come? Yes. Both of you all can come.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. This is Aditya Sawant. I'm Agastya's father, and we are residing in Aving, 12th floor. So this is just wonderful, superb. Firstly, I am into public speaking. I motivate everyone, 1,000, 2,000 people together. But then that credit goes to my mom, because since I was second standard, I have been into this kind of skill, soft skill, improvising courses, workshops, and Yashvi is doing a fab job, because this is really, really very important, and it has helped me shaping up my personality, my business, my decisions towards life, and I have become so decisive only because of such kind of soft skill improvisation. So and again, मैंने आपके कुछ अल्फाज सुने पोएट्री में, कुछ उर्दू शब्द भी थे उसमें. So introduction to such kind of unique different words beyond a typical Hindi, Marathi, English, beyond all this. So mixed dialect also kind of helps them to take a good command over it. So thank you so much. It's a great thing you guys are doing. Thank you so much.
We first explained all the meaning of the words in the poem to all the kids, and then we made them learn. That was the most difficult part, where they had to learn Hindi.
Yeah, and मना कर रहे थे बच्चे कि हम हिंदी में पोएम नहीं बोलेंगे, आपको इंग्लिश में लिख के देना होगा. तो मैंने उनको बहुत कन्विंस किया कि नहीं, आपको हिंदी भी सीखनी है. कुछ बच्चे तो ऐसे मजाक कर रहे हैं. और एक सेकंड बैच है, उसमें कुछ बच्चे ऐसे मतलब पापा उनके आउट ऑफ इंडिया रहते हैं, तो बार बार बोल रहे हैं ऑनलाइन पापा, हिंदी नहीं आती, ये टीचर हिंदी भी सिखाती है. So like and we really enjoyed making them learn Hindi and many new words. So they are really doing great.
Please come ahead.
Hi everyone. Hi everyone, my name is Palak. I stay in C Wing. I also recently moved 1 month back. I am Ayansh's mother. I really like this program. So this was started, I think, 1 month back, and Ayansh was in that class. He was really very excited to go to all the classes after that, but because of time constraint, I could not put him, but I am really after Yashvi to put some more slots again for this. And this time also for this kit, Ayansh only came one time to Yashvi, but he was so thorough with his dialogues that I was a little skeptical that whether I should send him today or not, but Yashvi said that he will do fine, you have to just send him. So really felt very proud listening him here and performing with everyone. And to Yashvi, I could say that she's such a young girl, but doing so wonderfully. Really feel very proud seeing her. Thank you.
Anybody else? Please come ahead. Seeing fathers express is kind of a different thing. I don't generally see that, but I'm really glad you all are coming ahead.
First of all, good evening everyone. Myself Sham Rugani. I reside in Tower C. I am Rihanna's father. First of all, we should give shout out to these kids who performed really well.
A hip hip hooray for them, please. Hip hip. Hip hip. Hip hip.
Second thing, I think we should give shout out to Yashvi, okay, because giving this opportunity to the kids and giving this platform also, it's wonderful. I don't think so any of us would ever think and organize this kind of event. Thirdly, her parents, I think so it's wonderful that, her parents are so motivating and encouraging her kids and, giving this kind of a creativity and knowledge. I think that's wonderful. And yeah, I love my daughter a lot, and I think it's great. It's great to be, in this kind of event. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Anybody else? Please come ahead.
Hello. I am Jinal Chheda from B2107. Yashvi, you really rocked, yaar. And Sejal, sorry to say, but she has excelled you. Really, she has excelled you. The kind of talent she is having. Like, I'm associated with this family, I think, right from a year. We have done a lot of functions and OSC together. And every time she is so effortless, like the skit right now, what I thought, it was so effortless. It was like it's so easygoing and so flowy. And the small concepts were, explained in such a beautiful way. I'm really, really proud. I think I can learn from you. It is like that. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you. So, parents, could you all relate to what performance we had? I need a yes or a no on the count of 1, 2, 3. Okay, so right now we have something for our young kids from Young Voices. We have certificates from them. Are you all excited? Ayansh Singhal, can we have the parents here as well with the child? Ayansh and Palak, auntie, didi. मैंने बहुत सुन लिया आंटी दीदी तो मैं भी दीदी बोलूँगी. We'll just search a certificate. And we have cupcakes for the kids as well. But do not open here. Eat it outside. नहीं तो next time से यहाँ पे permission नहीं मिलेगी event करने. But JLL has been very, very cooperative with us, thorough. So I need to thank them as well. They are not here, but thank you, JLL. Next up, Darshini Rantala. Line में खड़े हैं. Side में. Yeah, thank you. Darshini. Yeah. इन्हें parents ने आवाज़ दी.
Next up is Kivit Parekh. Next is Dwij Bhutra. Next is Meera Tulshan.
We want everyone to wait. Nobody has to go. The event is not over.
Swara Chaudhary. Aditya Khamkar.
He's our next door neighbor. He doesn't live in India. He's from Qatar. He has just come here for the vacations. And ऐसा 2 दिन में तो उसने उसका पोएट्री का पार्ट एकदम अच्छे से कर भी 2 दिन भी नहीं है, इनफैक्ट 1 दिन में कर दिया था.
Vihika Kothari, please be ready. Next is Zaisha Sukhija. Next is Adrit Agarwal. Can we have Yashika Jain next? Next is Naira Bothra.
Again, my neighbor, she's just 9 years old and she's fighting with diabetes, and I'm so glad her parents are so supportive. Can we have a huge round of applause for this little girl? Next up is Mitansh Sarda. Vedi Jain, please be ready. Vedi Jain. Read the name and you give it. Kushi Savani. Next is Agastya Savant. Parini, can you come? Jinal Didi. Jinal Didi. Falak Palnai, please come. Falak.
She was suffering with dengue a few days back, but yet she's here. She's healthy, happy, and she's performed with us.
And she's smiling. Next is Janisha Shah. Ridan Veera.
नेक्स्ट इज धैर्य जवेरी. धैर्य जवेरी के साथ कौन है? कल मुझे बोलता है मैं 2 जैकेट लेके आऊंगा, आप सिलेक्ट करना मैं कौन सा पहनूं. आप सब
उसके दादा दादी भी है, प्लीज आइए.
Next up is Iyana Sharma. I want Piyanshika to be ready next. Piyanshika Rathod. Next up, Twisha Dalal. I want Twisha to be ready next. Thank you. Twisha Dalal next. Next up, Rihanna Rughani and then Myra Mehta. After that, Myra Mehta. Myra Mehta.
Last but not the least, our beloved Myra Mehta.
I think her mother contacted me just 4 or 5 days before they went, and yet she did it so well. Thank you so much. Everyone, please have a seat. We have another tutor of mine,
Miss Manisha Mehta. Makwana. Okay, I'm overwhelmed by the responses I'm getting from the parents. Anyways, we have the Shailija Miss. उनको हम कुछ शब्दों के लिए यहाँ पे बुलाएंगे. एक छोटा सा एक इवेंट में अपना लास्ट बाकी है, उसके बाद आप सब लोग जा सकते हैं. Thank you for your valuable time. I hope you all have enjoyed the event and your kids. Yes.
I'll not take much time. Already very emotional with this girl. So today I'm here as a proud teacher, and I'm really feeling very, very proud. Before that, very happy Parents' Day to each and everyone. Parents' Day is for everyone, every day, every moment. जो दिया है सब आपका दिया है. And many congratulations for being parents of such a beautiful, talented kids. एक कहानी छोटी सी सुनाती हूँ. कौरव और पांडव, उनके गुरु थे. कौन थे? द्रोणाचार्य. तो वो तो आश्रम में बच्चे रहते थे, कौरव पांडव सब आश्रम में रहते थे, और रोज जैसी पढ़ाई होती है आश्रम में वैसी पढ़ाई होती थी. एक दिन गुरु ने एक पाठ पढ़ाया और बोला, बच्चों कल याद करके आना. जी कल याद करके आएंगे. अगला दिन याद करके आए. हाँ गुरुजी, सबने सुना दिया. और युधिष्ठिर खड़े हुए. गुरुजी नहीं याद हो पाया. द्रोणाचार्य ने सोचा ये तो बहुत अच्छा बच्चा है, इसने ऐसे कैसे, चलो कोई बात नहीं, होता है, कोई बात नहीं. अगले दिन, हाँ भाई याद किया? नहीं याद हुआ गुरुजी. अरे यार, अगले दिन याद हो गया? नहीं याद हुआ गुरुजी, अभी नहीं याद हुआ, बस 1-2 दिन और. गुरुजी गुस्सा हो गए. 5वें दिन, 6ठे दिन, फिर एक दिन युधिष्ठिर आए. गुरुजी आज मैंने वो पाठ याद कर लिया। वाह, इतने दिन तुमने लगा दिए। मैं तो समझता था तुम बहुत ही होशियार हो, होनहार हो, इतने दिन एक छोटा सा पाठ याद करने में लगा दिए। तो युधिष्ठिर ने कहा, गुरु जी, आज मैं सचमुच में उस पाठ को याद कर पाया हूँ। वो पाठ था, हमेशा सच बोलो। हर दिन कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा होता था कि मैं कभी झूठ बोल देता था, कभी अपने मित्रों से, कभी किसी से झूठ बोल देता था। पर इतने दिनों में मैंने अपने आप को पक्का कर लिया है कि मैं हमेशा अब सच बोलूंगा, कभी झूठ नहीं बोलूंगा। तो जो गुरु मेरे पास आते थे 10 साल के पहले से जानते हैं, और आज
अभी चलेगा, रहने दीजिए।
आज जो भी मैंने इतने 1 घंटे 1.5 घंटे में देखा, वो मुझे कहानी याद आ गई कि युधिष्ठिर ने, गुरु ने जो भी युधिष्ठिर को सिखाया था, आज यशवी ने वो सब कुछ सार्थक करके दिखा दिया। एंड दिस लेडी 10 साल पहले तक हमारा रिश्ता था एक टीचर और मेरे बच्चों की, मेरे स्टूडेंट्स की मदर। धीरे धीरे पिछले 10 सालों में वो एक टीचर और पेरेंट्स से ज़्यादा कुछ एक अलग स्पेशल बॉन्ड बन गया है। शी इज सच ए वंडरफुल सोल, सच ए वंडरफुल वुमेन, आई कांट टेल यू। हर गुरु पूर्णिमा पे वो मुझे फ़ोन करती है सेजल, और मैं थोड़ी सी इमोशनल हो जाती हूँ, थोड़ी नहीं ज़्यादा। तो आप सबको भी बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं, मुबारक हो पेरेंट्स डे का। एंड बहुत बड़ी जिम्मेदारी है, छोटी मोटी जिम्मेदारी नहीं है, अब पता चला होगा। पहले नहीं पता चलता है। बस 2 चीज़ें हैं, वॉट एवर वी आर एट अवर चाइल्डहुड डेज, आज के बच्चे बहुत स्मार्ट हैं, बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट हैं, हम लोग तो लल्लू थे। एंड ये भी लड़की चाहिए मुझे यहाँ पर। she was also my student, always be. And तो बच्चे सब कुछ कर लेंगे, बस 2 चीज़ें ध्यान रखनी है, जैसा इन लोगों ने बोला ही है, उनके ऊपर बिलीफ रखना है। यस, आई एम देयर विथ यू, करो जो करना है करो, मैं हूँ तुम्हारे साथ, और जो करो मन से करो और पूरे खुशी से करो। इन दोनों बच्चों में एक चीज़ और मैं बोलना चाहूँगी, 2 चीज़ें, 3 क्वालिटीज़ थी सर। ये दोनों बहुत सिंसियर थे, बहुत सिंसियर। दूसरी चीज़, जो भी करते थे बहुत खुशी से करते थे। तो बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है, अगर जो भी लर्निंग है हमारी, वॉट एवर लर्निंग, अगर खुशी से उस चीज़ को करेंगे तो वो चीज़ आनी ही आनी जाएगी कहाँ। और तीसरी चीज़, बहुत ऑनेस्ट, बहुत जेन्यून। मैं बहुत सारी चीज़ें बोल जा रही हूँ, सॉरी 3 ही चीज़ बोली थी, बट ये लोग हैं ही ऐसे। सो बच्चों, आई एम so proud today, I can't express myself, I'm so proud। and आगे बढ़ो, खूब आगे बढ़ो। My blessings, my best wishes always with you। Thank you so much Sejal, and thank you so much Abhi।
Can we Miss Manisha Makwana here as well? I remember my mother putting me into Manisha Mrs. Tuition in 3rd grade. मुझे ट्यूशन्स जाना बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद था. I used to hate that concept. But I did not study school का things. I used to go for extra academic.
ये आपने बताया नहीं कि आप बहुत टीवी देखने बैठते थे, इसलिए मैं आपको ज़बरदस्ती वहाँ पे छोड़ के आती थी.
Did not have to be mentioned, but okay. So like extracurricular exams हो गई, GK, general knowledge, extra math, वो सब के लिए I used to go with her. And then from 5th grade she started with my academics from my school as well. 2 words.
क्या ही बोलूँ, शैलजा मिस ने जो बोला इट्स एब्सोल्युटली राइट.
मैं दोनों बच्चियों को जानती हूँ समवेयर अराउंड सेकेंड थर्ड स्टैंडर्ड से. कुछ होता है, कुछ बच्चे ऐसे होते हैं, यू नो, दे हैव अ स्पार्क इन देम. इट्स समथिंग आई कैन से यू डू हैव इट इमेंसली. शी इज़ फुल ऑफ लाइफ. She spreads life wherever she goes, obviously inherited from her dear mom and father also. Highly, like, you know, they are very social people. So यशवी को जब से मैं जानती हूँ, I used to always say सेजल, कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि जब हमारे बच्चे छोटे होते हैं, we put a lot of priority for their academics. मेरे बच्चे के इतने मार्क्स नहीं आ रहे. हर एक पेरेंट्स को पता होता है उनके बच्चे का पोटेंशियल कितना है. बट समटाइम्स, यू नो, ड्यू टू डिस्ट्रैक्शंस, XY रीजन्स, बच्चे उतना नहीं कर पाते जितना हम पेरेंट्स एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं. ऑल आई यूज टू टेल टू ऑल माई स्टूडेंट्स एंड देयर पेरेंट्स, अपने बच्चों पे भरोसा रखो, अपनी परवरिश पे भरोसा रखो. आप जैसे हो, आपके बच्चे उससे एक वर्जन एडवांस्ड हो सकते हैं, नीचे कभी भी नहीं जाएंगे. एंड दैट इज़ व्हाट आई थिंक वी हैड स्पोकन. एंड आई थिंक इट वॉज 2 years बैक, तुम्हारा 10th ख़त्म हुआ तभी. आई हैड सेड सेजल कि एक दिन ऐसा आएगा कि यू आर स्पीकिंग एंड आई एम इन द ऑडियंस, एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट डे हैज़ कम सो सून. सो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस टू सेजल. एंड येस, यशवी ट्रूली अ डियर चाइल्ड. शी इज़ बीन राशि ऑल्सो. सो कुछ बच्चे ऐसे होते विच आर ऑलवेज, यू नो, क्लोज टू योर लाइफ. एंड ऑल वी कैन सी सो मेनी टॉडलर्स ओवर हियर. टू ऑल द पेरेंट्स, अपने बच्चों के एकेडमिक्स पे ऑफकोर्स वी हैव टू, दैट्स द इंडियन सिस्टम. बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, आप देखिए कि आपका बच्चा किस में पैशनेट है. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि उसका बच्चा स्केटिंग कर रहा है, डांस कर रहा है, तो हमारा बच्चा भी सब करे. ऑलराउंडर करने से अच्छा देखिए आपके बच्चे को क्या पसंद है. गिव देम दैट, यू नो, एक्सपोजर व्हाट दे वांट, एंड ट्रस्ट मी, दे विल डू द बेस्ट. इट्स नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट टू बी एन इंजीनियर और डॉक्टर. जो भी करो, मन से करो, उसका जो इफेक्ट होगा, it is beyond words, and we can see that right now. Okay, so lots and lots and lots of wishes to both the girls.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you. And the first show is going to be ended now. Second show के बच्चे, parents वहाँ पे wait कर रहे हैं. Yeah, एक sir, please come. I'll give you the mic. या डेफिनेटली, ही इज़ अ शाय गाय. आपने बुलाया तो शायद आएंगे, मैं बुलाऊंगी तो नहीं आएंगे. या चिराग. Yes, thank you. And the most strongest system of our family, and the strongest pillar, and the greatest dad, I can say.
Hello guys. I'm a less speaking guy. शायद मेरी सब एनर्जी बच्चों में चली गई है. All I want to say is I am blessed having these 2 daughters and a beautiful wife. And बचपन से मैंने एक ही चीज़ की थी जो मैं आज आप सब पेरेंट्स से शेयर करूँगा. When they were young, मैंने उनको सारे एक्सपोजर दिए. Whatever field they want to, मीन्स मैंने उनको कभी रिस्ट्रिक्ट नहीं किया कोई भी चीज़ में. नो डाउट मैंने उनको एक बाउंड्री बना के दी थी कि बेटा दिस आर द लिमिटेशंस, यू शुड नॉट क्रॉस दैट. बट और उन्होंने भी मुझे अच्छी तरह फॉलो किया, एंड आई एम वेरी प्राउड ऑफ देम. थैंक यू सो मच.
थैंक यू. So before you all move out, I just wanted to take a video. I want everyone in the audience, Mama, you with me. You with me. So I'll be asking that did you enjoy the session? And all of you have to say yes, okay?
Yeah. ये आजकल के बच्चे ना रील पोस्ट करेंगे नहीं तब तक मानेंगे नहीं. So वो रील डालेगी वो.
So I just finished taking a Parents' Day slot 1. So did you guys have fun? We have house full. Thank you so much everyone for showing up today. Y'all have been an amazing audience as always. I'll see you all super soon. Batch 1, slot 1 can move out. Slot 2. Very warm welcome to all the incredible parents, grandparents and families that have gathered here today.
First of all, we would light up the diya. एक दीप प्रज्वलन करेंगे, सरस्वती पूजन करेंगे. हमारे यशु के टीचर, यशवी के टीचर मिस मनीषा मकवाना जी यहाँ पे, हमने उनको स्पेशली बुलाया है. सो एवरीवन, एंड उसके बाद हम इवेंट को शुरू करेंगे. प्लीज़ मनीषा मिस. हाँ यस यस एक सेकेंड वो क्या पीते
Manisha Miss.
Good evening, everyone. Happy Parents' Day to all of you. Welcome to Young Voices Parents' Day Special, an evening filled with storytelling, expressions, and most importantly, gratitude.
Today isn't just a performance, it's the celebration of you, the parents, the heart behind every confident child, the hands that hold them up, and the voices they carry within them.
At Young Voices, we believe that confidence, communication, and creativity aren't just skills, they are life tools. And none of those are possible without your love and belief at home.
So, today our young stars are going to take the stage, not to impress, but to express, not to show off, but to show up just for you. Can we have a huge round of applause for all of them? They have spent days learning how to emote, articulate, and imagine. But behind every brave performance happening here today is a parent who said at home, "You can do this, beta. I believe in you." Can anybody guess our theme for the evening? किसी को बताया है क्या बच्चों ने? If anybody knows, there's a surprise for you as well. There's a special gift for you as well. Oh, so our children have been loyal to us.
Yes.
I like that. Our theme for today is
Roots and Wings.
Because that is what parents exactly give us.
रूट्स हम कहते हैं कि जो धरोहर, जो एक संस्कार हमारे माँ बाप हमें देते हैं, जो हमें हमेशा ग्राउंडेड बना के रखते हैं, जो हम अपने बच्चों में देते हैं. एंड विंग्स, जो हम हमारे कॉन्फिडेंस, हमारी इच्छाएं, हमारी उड़ान भरने की जो उनकी चाह है, उसको हम विश्वास से आगे बढ़ने की उम्मीद के साथ आकाश में खुला छोड़ देते हैं. ये है हमारी रूट्स एंड विंग्स, जो हर छोटी छोटी इवेंट्स सीन में आपको बच्चों में दिखेगा.
So, roots that keep us grounded in our values and wings that help us soar our dreams. We were divided into 2 groups today, and each one will take you on a short journey of scenes, poems, and drama, all created, practiced, and performed by children themselves. So sit back, soak it in, laugh, cry, feel, because this is for you, from your child's heart straight to yours. You do not need to record the entire event as we have it been recorded here, and we'll share the recordings. So let the celebration begin.
Thank you for being here. We are so excited to present something very special for you today. Straight from our hearts, every scene you see is a piece of our imagination shaped by what they have learned at Young Voices and what we have learned from you parents. Because of you, we found our voices.
So we'll start with Agastya Sawant and Vihan Purabia, who are going to show us an act based on honesty. Agastya Sawant and Vihan Purabia, can we have both of you here? Agastya Sawant and Vihan.
I didn't do great, but I at least told the truth. Marks will change, beta, but honesty stays forever.
So in this scene, both of them, he was a child, he was his father. They've enacted us that he has not done great at a test, but he's showing that marks will change. But I'm so glad you were honest, because in lots of schools, kids change their marks. 7 का कब 17 हो जाता है out of 20. Parents को तो कभी पता ही नहीं चलता. So that's what they want from you, to be there for them, to support them through everything. Can we please clap for these two? Yes. Next up we want Hitansh and Ahana, and they are going to show us what kindness means. Hitansh and Ahana.
Why should I share my food if they don't thank me?
Kindness is not about the thanks, it's about your heart. Kindness is not about the thanks, it's about your heart.
Again, a scene of a son and a mother. He was saying that, why should I say thank you? They don't thank me. But her mother beautifully explained him that you don't always have to be saying thank you just because they're not kind to you. Thank you is a small way of saying something to a person. It could be to anyone. At Young Voices, we teach them what gratitude means. Saying thank you to your cook, saying thank you to your watchmen, liftmen, drivers, and even your parents, even your siblings, everyone. Thank you. Next up, we have Arya and Abir, who are going to show us what hard work means. Arya and Abir. Arya and Abir. Arya.
Come in the center.
Come in the center.
I want to give up because I'm so tired. I want to give up because I'm so tired.
Winners aren't born, beta. They are built. And one step at a time, and I'm here for you.
Again, a beautiful scene by a father-daughter. She is tired, she wants to give up, but her father beautifully explains her that you don't have to, everything does not happen at day one. Rome wasn't built on the first day. Take time, do everything, one step at a time, and he's there for her. So beautiful. Can we clap for them? Samaira, Jain and Mrunmay Patil next. Samaira and Mrunmay.
Come. सबसे छोटी बच्ची हमारे क्लास की.
Mama, what difference does a thank you will make?
Makes a child into a human and a human into a light. Thank you, Mom, and thank you, Dad.
Thank you, Dad.
This scene was about gratitude, which beautifully showed just what I talked about. Next up, I want Zain, Virani, Mivan, Tutwala and Rashish Agarwal. Zain, Mivan and Rashish.
Zain, इसे तो हम कुछ सिखाते हैं ना, तो इसके एक्सप्रेशंस को ही हम देखते रहते हैं. मतलब उसको घर नहीं जाना होता है एंड उसको बस सिर्फ बोलना रहता है. ज़ेन, काम बेटा.
I was too scared to speak in class. Scared is to be fine, but silence is not. And today, he got up, and we all clap for him.
This scene was about confidence, which we bring up in these young kids. So before we begin, we have a poetry written by my own mother, who the children are going to perform. I want Ayansh Agarwal, Dveet Ved, Viana Soni and Kaira. Ayansh, Dveet, Viana and Kaira. Ayansh, Dveet, Viana, Kaira. Ayansh, can you begin? Center में आ जाओ. अभी जाओ. Ayansh, Dveet, Viana, Kaira. Last one. Ayansh first. Ayansh.
ये पोइट्री के पहले एक चीज़ कनेक्टिविटी में बताना चाहूँगी कि आज के इस गैजेटिक वर्ल्ड में मम्मी कहती है बेटा सो आज के गैजेटिक वर्ल्ड में वी पेरेंट्स वी आर हाईली ऑक्यूपाइड बाय वन थिंग और द अदर. हमारी ऑफिस भी है, हमारे घर की प्रायोरिटीज़ है, लोन्स है, पर हमेशा एट द एंड ऑफ द डे व्हेन पापास कम फ्रॉम ऑफिस, ममास कम फ्रॉम ऑफिस, बच्चों को बहुत सारी चीज़ें बतानी होती है एंड वी आर लाइक हाँ बेटा बोलो बोलो एंड देन अगेन थोड़ा सा बोल के हम लोग फिर अपने काम में लग जाते हैं. एंड इनके पास ये क्लासेस में जब आते हैं, जब ये बोलते हैं और हम सुनते हैं तो लगता है इनके साथ उनके पास बातों का पूरा ढेर सारा भंडार पड़ा है. तो प्लीज़ मैं एक पेरेंट से यही रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूँगी, आपकी बच्चों की बातों को सुनना पसंद कीजिए और वो जो बोलते हैं उसका समझने की कोशिश ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कीजिए, क्योंकि वो लोग बहुत प्यारी प्यारी बातें हमको बताते हैं. एंड वी लर्न एज अ मदर, आई रियली फील इट, आई कैन रिलेट इट कि मैं बच्चों से बहुत कुछ सीखी हूँ अपने. सो दे आर प्रेजेंटिंग समथिंग फॉर पापा एंड मम्मा आप लोगों के लिए कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे?
पापा को कहाँ जाए?
लाउडली क्राउड को देखो।
आई डोंट वांट टू स्क्रीम।
से लाउड
फटाफट सरप्राइज है आपके लिए, फटाफट।
चलो
पापा को कार चाहिए।
चलो मैं बोलता हूँ आपके साथ।
पापा को कार चाहिए, मम्मी को हीरो वाला हार चाहिए, पर
कोई
नहीं
जाने हम बच्चों को क्या चाहिए।
हम बच्चों को
मम्मी पापा का प्यार चाहिए।
मम्मी और पापा का प्यार चाहिए। वेरी गुड द्वीत।
पापा
चलो बेटा।
पापा कहते हैं बंगले 2-4 चाहिए, बैंक बैलेंस जोरदार चाहिए, पर कोई ना जाने हम बच्चों को क्या चाहिए। हम बच्चों को पापा का दुलार चाहिए।
सो नाइस। वेरी नाइस।
चालू कर भी आना।
मम्मी कहती है इंस्टा और व्हाट्सएप चाहिए, किटी पार्टीज और थीम पार्टीज चाहिए, लेकिन पर कोई ना जाने हम बच्चों को क्या चाहिए। हम बच्चों को मम्मी की आंचल की छाप चाहिए।
सो स्वीट।
ना पार्टी ना पैसा चाहिए, ना बर्गर ना पिज़्ज़ा चाहिए, कोई ना जाने हम बच्चों को क्या चाहिए। हम बच्चों को मम्मी पापा का साथ चाहिए।
Explaining this poem was more difficult than making them learn, because a lot of kids here, we have one more Hindi poetry coming up soon by a lot of kids. बच्चों को हिंदी लर्न करनी ही नहीं थी, they were like English में लिख के दो, but then my mom made them do it. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Vedarth, can you come up? Vedarth.
You gave us these roots, deep, strong, and silent. Now it's time for our wings. Yes.
Next up, Kyra and Mihika. Kyra and Mihika. Kyra and Mihika.
बीच में जाओ.
I have things to say, but what if I mess up?
Mess up, cry, pause, but speak because your voice matters.
यहाँ पे हम लोग बताना चाहते हैं कि कितने बच्चे जब यंग वॉइसेस में आए, उनके पेरेंट्स हमको ये बता के गए दैट दे आर शाई किड्स। उनको स्टेज पे बोलने का फियर है, उनको पब्लिक में ग्रुप में बोलना अच्छा नहीं लगता है। एंड आफ्टर कोविड स्पेशली बच्चेज हैव बिकम मोर एंड मोर गैजेटिक। एक कोने में कंफर्ट जोन में जाके उनको मोबाइल पे टाइम बिताना पसंद है। पर व्हेन दे टर्न्ड अप टू आवर प्लेस, सो लाइक बहुत डरते थे कि हम लोग अगर कोई चीज़ गड़बड़ कर देंगे या किसी की डांट सुननी पड़ेगी, तो दे वर नॉट लाइकिंग टू स्पीक अप। बट फिर हमारे छोटी सी यशवी ने उनको प्रिपेयर किया कि नहीं, आपको उठना है, आपको बोलना है, और अगर कुछ मिसअप भी हो जाए तो वी पेरेंट्स, वी टीचर्स आर देयर टू करेक्ट यू अप.
Next up, we have Krisha Gupta, Shanaya Shah, and Dveet Ved. And they are going to talk about fear versus courage. Krisha, Shanaya Shah, and Dveet. Krisha, center. Dveet Ved. Dveet Ved. Dveet किधर गया? Dveet. Dialogue है ना? What if they listen? What if they listen? Krisha first, Shanaya second, Dveet third.
Should I speak or stay quiet? What if they laugh? What is this?
What if they listen?
What is the lesson?
This scene was enacting that she was confused what to do. Should she speak or should she stay quiet? Then her friends told us that what if they laugh, and then he supported her friend, and then he said what if they listen to you. A huge round of applause for them. Thank you. Next up, Manan Kakkad, Viana, Sony, and एक second, confusion. No, it's very brave. किसका डायलॉग है? No, it's very brave. I think no, it's very brave. किसका डायलॉग है? कायरा ना? No, it's very brave. Wait. आ जाओ. Ahana, Manan, and Viana. हाँ, आबे उचेने. Start, Manan.
I write affirmations every night.
That's so weird.
No, it's very brave.
My parents taught me this.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Mama, affirmations. Thank you, y'all can go.
यहाँ पे हम लोग ने उनको ये बताया है अफर्मेशंस. मैनी ऑफ द पेरेंट्स मस्ट बी नोइंग, जब हम बच्चों को अफर्मेशंस, मैनिफेस्टेशंस, ग्रैटिट्यूड सिखाते हैं तो वो बच्चे यहाँ पे आके बोलते हैं कि ये चीज़ हमको पता है. सो वी आर रियली प्राउड एंड हम सबको पता है कि अफर्मेशंस हमारे लाइफ का एक बहुत बड़ा हिस्सा है और हमारी ज़िंदगी में, हमारे बच्चों की ज़िंदगी में वो एक अहम रोल निभाता है. थैंक यू.
Next up, Diyansh, Aditya, and Naisha. Diyansh, Aditya, and Naisha. Aditya has come. Diyansh and Naisha. Start Diyansh, then Aditya, then Naisha.
I want to be an artist.
But your marks aren't even that good.
Chase what lights you up. Feel be proud either way.
So this scene is about a son and a mother and a friend of the son. He wants to become an artist, and in today's generation, it's not necessary that people will just be doctors, engineers, chartered accountants. There are so many different fields today, and she's showing that parents are here to support the children as well. Can we clap for them? Thank you. Next up, Vihani Shah and Jiyansh Ved. Vihani Shah and Jiyansh Ved. Jiyansh.
I should say first.
Yes, you are going first.
You gave us roots that remind us who we are.
And wings to go wherever our dreams take us.
They're saying what the theme is all about. We're done with the drama. We now have a poetry. For that, I would like to call Arsh Virani, Shivansh Bapna, Shinaya Bapna, Ved Nambyar, and Agastya Nambyar. Arsh Virani, Shivansh Bapna, Shinaya Bapna, Agastya Nambyar, and Ved Nambyar. Again, teaching all these 5 kids was a really difficult job because it was in Hindi.
एंड द मोस्ट टॉकेटिव बैच, जहाँ पे मतलब ये बच्चों को सिर्फ अपने मम्मी और पापा की स्टोरी बतानी है, अपने घर की स्टोरी बतानी है. एंड उनको जब हिंदी बोलना आ रहा है तब मम्मा प्लीज़ आप उनको बोलो ना कुछ चेंज करवा दे. ऐसे कॉल्स हमको आते थे, बट वी सेड नहीं, आपको ये पोएम हिंदी में ही बोलनी होगी.
And we all thank our mothers, but this is something for the fathers. Start.
तो क्या हुआ अगर लोरियां नहीं आती, पर जुला जुला कर प्यार से सुलाते हैं पापा.
तो क्या हुआ अगर हर कदम पर साथ नहीं, पर उंगली पकड़कर चलना सिखाते हैं पापा.
तो क्या हुआ अगर हर पल आसपास नहीं, पर गिरती साइकिल से संभलना सिखाते हैं पापा. तो क्या हुआ अगर अपने लैपटॉप पे हमेशा व्यस्त रहते हैं, बट हमारी छोटी छोटी उलझनों को में चुटकी में सुलझाते हैं पापा. तो क्या हुआ अगर हमारी बदतमीजियों पे डांट दिया, पर अच्छी बातें और अच्छी आदतें सिखाते हैं पापा.
तो क्या हुआ अगर ऑफिस से घर लेट आए, पर अपनी मीठी मीठी बातों से अपनी रूठी गुड़िया को मनाते हैं पापा. ढेर सारी गिफ्ट्स, चॉकलेट्स और प्यारी सी गुड़िया बिना मांगे ही दिलाते हैं पापा. तो क्या हुआ अगर पलकों पर आंसू नहीं, पर हमारे हर दर्द में दिल से अश्क बहाते हैं पापा.
तो क्या हुआ अगर मम्मी की तरह खिलखिलाते नहीं, पर हमारी हर खुशियाँ, हर कामयाबी पर बड़ा सा जश्न बनाता है पापा। और वैसे भी मम्मा, आप हमारा जीवन की रेलगाड़ी हो, लेकिन इस रेलगाड़ी चलाने के लिए पेट्रोल डलवाते हैं पापा।
मम्मा, आप हमारा दिल हो, लेकिन इस दिल की धड़कन है पापा। वी लव यू पापा, you're the best papa of the world. Now Shirvansh and Shanaya have something to say. साथ में एक सेकंड दूसरा।
You're the thank you online papa for everything that you do.
So their father doesn't stay here, and throughout the practice they've been like, we'll say online papa, online papa. Are you happy now? Yes. Can we have a huge round of applause for all of them? So you all can go in. Actually, I want all the kids to come out and sit here, except the beach ka line. Start sitting from there. All the kids come out. Yes. Sit with them. Your bestie.
Yes.
Or else I'll select by myself.
Yes.
Come on, आपके बच्चों ने आपके लिए परफॉर्म किया, आप आपके बच्चों के लिए कुछ नहीं बोलोगे? You all will be so disheartened, right? बोलो, we want mama papa to come here. Who wants to come up for their children now?
Yeah.
Please, and then after you.
Okay, so this was actually the first time I heard her speaking in Hindi. So now I'm going to start talking Hindi with him now. So that was a pleasant change. But all the kids, they've done marvelously well. And with whatever, that Yashvi told, the moral, what they were trying to portray, I think it very well signifies what we do in our house. And I think they are a reflection of what we are. And like the rightly said, that they are going to be one step above, if not. Every parent would want that, unka naam roshan kare unka bacha. But I believe that every kid is special in their own way. Yeah. And the way we bring them up, it truly would, signify what they would become at the end of their life. So good luck and congrats to all. Thank you.
Smita.
Anyone else?
Yes. No, but your children would want you to speak, right? Like all of the parents wanted their children to speak. कोई एक आके बोलता तो आपको लगता आपके बच्चे ने बोला है?
सोचा, समझ गया, अभी माइक पकड़ के बोलना कितना डिफिकल्ट लगता है, हमारे बच्चे आके बोलते हैं.
Even for parents, I think we all were hesitant, okay? It's not easy to come on this stage and speak, okay? So all the kids, very well done. A big round of applause. We still get nervous, okay, when we have to come here and speak. So all the kids, you were wonderful, and it was really heartwarming to hear each one of you. Well done, boys and girls. Very well done.
Yeah, thank you.
I have heard after the event some children are going to get gifts as well because they've performed today. Anybody else would like to come up? Please come ahead.
Hi, good evening, everyone. I think this was a very well put up show, so thank you, ladies.
Yeah,
and kids, you all were mind-blowing. So just a quick thing, raise your hands,
Yay.
pat your back.
Yay.
Well done, everybody.
Thank you so much.
Anybody else? Please come ahead.
Because actually it's not easy to speak up on stage, and we all are equally scared like you guys, but you really did very well. Super proud of you all, and all the stories like which were performed in many versions. Every story had a very beautiful moral, and it was really amazing to see you all perform. Thank you.
Anybody else? Also, we have Atul sir present here with us, Atul Joshi. He stays in Sky City, and he has generously given us all the sound system, mic system, videography, photography. The whole event is being captured right now, and it is going to be uploaded on YouTube as well. Can we please have a round of applause for him as well? Sir, 2 line यहाँ पे आके बोलिए.
Yes, YouTube also.
You are going to come on YouTube.
Yes.
कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन, आप लोगों ने इतना अच्छा परफॉर्म किया. थैंक यू. यू आर द सेलिब्रिटी ऑफ द डे. स्टेज के ऊपर परफॉर्म करना, जैसे पेरेंट्स ने बोला, वैसा रियली हार्ड रहता है और स्टेज के ऊपर आता है वही सेलिब्रिटी होता है, बराबर है? आप लोग अपने आप में सेलिब्रिटी हैं. And I really thanks मैम to organize such a nice program. तो ये प्रोग्राम जो है वो रियली ऑर्गेनाइज करना बहुत ही टफ है. तो जब भी इन्होंने बोला कि ये प्रोग्राम कर रहे हैं तो मतलब होल हार्टेडली आपको जो चाहिए हम मेरी तरफ से मैं दे सकता हूँ, नो प्रॉब्लम, एनी टाइम. कोई भी इवेंट्स रहेगा बच्चे लोग के लिए, नो प्रॉब्लम, एनी टाइम. थैंक यू.
थैंक यू सर.
Anybody else, please come ahead. अगर सारे पेरेंट्स भी आ गए ना तो बच्चे तो एकदम खुश हो जाएंगे कि बच्चों ने भी बोला और पेरेंट्स कौन से बच्चों को चाहिए, उनके पेरेंट्स आके बोले रेज योर हैंड्स. देख लो.
तन्वी, इट इज योर टर्न, यू आर गेटिंग डबल वोट.
Hi, my name is Rajnisha. Actually, I aware about Father Day, Mother Day. First time I aware about Parents Day. I'm extremely sorry for that. But to manage all these kids all alone, Yashashvi, it is biggest task. I'm sorry, but you did well. Two poems here today when I heard. It means a lot about Papa and about that. Oh, we are in this particular generation. We are busy with office, internet, mobile, and kids needs our attention. They are attention seekers. So the conclusion of these, the whole era, is good for our parents to learn from this particular drama and the poem. So it means a lot as a parent for me. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Anyone else? Tanvi? Okay, no worries.
Push. But parents, kids wants their parents to come.
Yes.
So, kids थोड़ा सा पीछे हो जाओ. बच्चा पार्टी पीछे. Who here has come with their parents? Like kids के grandparents भी है और parents भी है. I want you all to come ahead. The grandparent and the parent of the child. I can see one sitting there. Please come forward. Next उधर भी एक है. Please आगे आइए. I can see somebody sitting here as well. Please आगे आइए. With your son or daughter. આગે આવીએ પ્લીઝ. વી હેવ સમથિંગ ફોર યુ. આપકે તમારા માટે કંઈક છે, આગળ આવો ને. આવો આગળ આવો. With your son or daughter-in-law or whatever.
Please come. Yeah, you also, please.
Hitansh.
3 generations together.
बोला हो. Jiansh, come ahead. So, something you'll say about her and then she will say both, she'll say something for 2 of you. You don't have to say anything, you've already done your part. You will say something for both of them and both of them will say something for the 3 of you. We'll start from her.
So I have to say for both of them.
Just for her. You can say obviously for him.
She's a gem of a person. I mean, she's my mother-in-law, and she has been like, in fact, more than my mother. I would say the kind of support I get from her is like it's like amazing. And it's like every single day the support and the encouragement is what keeps me going. And the same thing I want for him also. So she's the one actually, who kind of brings him up, like all the values and all, and I'm really grateful.
Yo, that's wonderful. एनी माटे बोलो, तुम्हारा माटे बोलो.
बहुत ही अच्छी बहू है मेरी.
So sweet.
बहुत ज़्यादा. उससे भी अच्छा है ये.
वो बोलते हैं ना कि जो हमारे गुजराती में बोलते हैं नाना करता व्याज વધારે વાલું લાગે.
I have to talk about that. Yeah. So you can speak in Gujarati तो इन लोगों ने વધારે समझा.
Yeah. So I would like to take an opportunity and congratulate all the kids here because we all are on the same page. We understand the fact standing here, facing the audience and then performing is really a hard task. So really you have done an amazing job, all the tiny little kids. And importantly, I would like to thank Yashvi as well because someone rightly highlighted that just managing 2 for me is a real task. You managing all of them together at a time is another level. So thank you so much for that. And congratulations to all of you once again. So I want to just highlight about my in-laws. तो हमारा mother-in-law छे और हमारा father-in-law छे. They have been very supportive. So I'll get break then.
okay, no worries.
So I'm a working woman. And my husband is into a merchant navy profession. He is a captain, so he's not home all the time.
So it's online for father for both of them as well.
online father.
Shivanshana, you have company now.
Yeah, so I could relate to that when they said that for their father. And I think without their support, it is very difficult to manage kids. So thank you so much.
મારી વહુ બહુ સારી છે, બહુ જ એકદમ જ સારી છે અને દીકરો બી બહુ, પોતરા તો એટલા સારા છે કે વાત નહીં.
હવે તમે બોલો.
કહેવાનું હતું કે છોકરાઓ સારા છે એટલે વાંધો નથી આવતો. બસ થેન્ક યુ.
Can we all please clap for them, all the children here? Yes, તમે ભી કઈ બોલો, આપ ભી કુછ બોલિए.
Congratulations for this beautiful program organized by you.
Thank you so much. You all can have a seat. બેસી શકો છો. Yes, you can sit here. So, as many of your parents are not here today, they might be at their home or something else. I want 8 people to come up here willingly whose parents are not here. We have something for you. 8 people, stand up and come fast. Tanvi, Bapna, one of you. Someone from here. जिनके पेरेंट्स आज यहाँ नहीं हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. ज़्यादा भी होंगे तो we don't mind. We want dads as well. Please come, uncle. Uncles, please step forward. आइए आगे. We just don't want ladies here. We want gents as well. Please come ahead. Please come ahead, the gents. Okay. So, y'all, I want all of you to open your phone. As you cannot call from here क्योंकि network नहीं है. I want you all to send a voice message to your parents saying that you love them.
Is a Parents Day. अगर फोन चलता तो शायद ये फोन लगवा के भी बुलवा देती.
मैं फोन लगाने वाली थी, but then as soon as I stepped here, I realized you not call.
Let them
So
do
send a-
realize कि आप उनसे कितना प्यार करते हैं. So आप आपके parents को
get your
please
phones if you
बताएं.
haven't brought in them. Yes. Start.
So I'm supposed to send a voice?
Yes. That's a video voice.
Hi, Papa. I really love you a lot and I miss you every day. Thank you for supporting us and thank you for being there for us always. Thank you.
Mama, happy Parents Day. I love you so much. I love you, Mama.
Same here. Hey, Ma. Happy Parents Day. Love you so much. Thank you for being there for me.
Hello, Mama and Papa. Thank you so much for everything that you do for us. There's no way I can pay back for that. And I love you so much, so much, so much. Happy Parents Day.
Hello, Papa. I hope you get this message up there. I miss you too much. Happy Parents Day, Papa. I love you. I miss you.
Hello. Yeah, happy Parents Day, Mom and Dad, and I owe you everything which I am there today. Thank you for being there always.
Yes, so sweet.
Hello, Mommy, Papa. I want to thank you the way you all take care of me since birth, and even today I come running to you for every small thing. Can't thank you enough. Parents Day it's the first time I'm celebrating Parents Day, and I feel it's a very underrated job that I realize only after becoming one. So thank you, and I think thank you is not enough, but yes, thank you.
हेलो मम्मी पापा तो है नहीं, बट जब जैसे भी सब लोग वॉइस मैसेज कर रहे हैं तो बहुत फील हो रहा है कि आज मेरे पेरेंट्स नहीं हैं, बट हार्ट में अभी भी है और बहुत प्यार करती हूँ सबसे.
Do you want a hug?
जो भी उन्होंने सिखाया वही अब मैं पास ऑन कर रही हूँ मेरे दोनों बच्चों को. थैंक यू मम्मी, थैंक यू पापा, लव यू.
They smile when we smile. So please smile. Yes.
Thank you all for coming here. You can have a
आपके
seat.
मम्मी पापा भी बहुत खुश हो जाएंगे.
जिन जिन के पेरेंट्स अभी घर पे हैं, I want all of you to go home, hug them and tell them I love you. और बच्चा पार्टी मेरे को नेक्स्ट टाइम बताना कि ये लोग ने किया कि नहीं. इनको भी तो पनिशमेंट मिलनी चाहिए. We've had few people who were punished with in our class. They had to dance on chicken banana and APT because ऐसे ही वो सीखेंगे.
Okay. Now I would like to call Miss Manisha and Mrs. Vandana, जो यशवी की बुआ है एंड एक जो यशवी के टीचर है. मैं उन दोनों को यहाँ पे बुलाऊंगी और वो हमें कुछ बताएंगे. प्लीज़, अरे प्लीज़ 2 वर्ड्स. अच्छा वहीं से. ओके मिस, प्लीज़ कम.
હું બોલું છું તો તમારે તો બોલવું જોઈએ.
शी इज़ हर फेवरेट फ़िया. जब भी फ़िया, उसकी 3 फ़िया है, जब भी वो फ़िया उनसे पूछती है कि बेटा मैं कौन सी फ़िया फेवरेट है, तो वो हमेशा बोलती है आप मेरे फेवरेट हो. पर फिर दूसरी बार दूसरे फ़िया पूछते तो वही आंसर, वो डिप्लोमेटिक आंसर ही देती थी हमेशा से.
Hello, good evening. I'm very, very proud of you. Very great efforts. And congratulations, dear. Keep on going. Thank you.
मनीषा मिस, मेरे को याद है मम्मा ने मेरे को 3rd ग्रेड में उनके पास ट्यूशन्स रखे थे एंड आई यूज्ड टू हेट गोइंग टू ट्यूशन्स, वेकिंग अप अर्ली. सो ड्यूरिंग 3rd ग्रेड आई यूज्ड टू वेक अप एट 4:30 AM बिकॉज आई यूज्ड टू हैव माई क्रिकेट प्रैक्टिस, देन डायरेक्टली उनके पास, देन डायरेक्टली स्कूल, देन डायरेक्टली शाम को कथक क्लास एंड आई यूज्ड टू हेट दैट शेड्यूल. बट आई स्टार्टेड लविंग इट बिकॉज ऑफ हर.
थैंक यू यशवी. यशवी को एज शी सेड, उसको बचपन से जानती हूँ. शी इज़ ऑलवेज बीन हाईली स्पिरिटेड, फुल ऑफ लाइफ. उम्मीद करती हूँ ऐसी ही रहो एट एनी एज. एंड इट्स रियली गुड यू नो कि जिन बच्चों को हमने देखा था जब वो इतने थे, टुडे शी इज़ मैनेजिंग अ बंडल ऑफ किड्स, ऑफ कोर्स विथ योर हेल्प एंड बाइज हेल्प ऑल्सो. बट येस, इट्स अ प्राउड मोमेंट. शायद किसी टीचर और पेरेंट्स के लिए द बेस्ट मोमेंट होता है जब वो अपने बच्चों को आगे बढ़ते हुए देखते हैं. सो ऑल द बेस्ट.
Now, as I promised to a few children जो मुझे सुबह मिले थे, there are surprises for the kids as well. Are you all excited or not for the surprise? बस. So parents का surprise था बच्चों की performance. देख लिया कि बाहर किसी ने बता दिया. So we have certificates and cupcakes for the children here. First of all, Zain Virani. We want the parents here as well with the child. Both of y'all. It's okay.
Zain always feels he is at home.
Next up, Kaira Mistry. Where is Rashi? I need you. So like she's my sister and she's my go-to person. Whenever I need help, I call her. And that's what I'm doing right now.
Hello. Tved. Next is Naisha Unni. Please be ready. Naisha.
Please don't open the cupcakes here. नहीं तो next time मुझे थोड़ा permission मिलने में problem हो जाएगा. Eat the cupcakes outside the studio, okay guys? good.
Next is Mevan Tutwala.
He's someone who's always there for me somehow. When he somehow understands that I'm sad or I'm angry, and he'll come up, Didi, talk to me, I am here.
Next is Jian Shved. Ahana Jain, please be ready.
Arya Ganjawala.
Vidarth Agarwal, please be ready. Next is Aditya Atal. Shania, please come. Shania Shah. And Vihan Purabai, please be ready. Purabya, sorry. Next Tushar, Shania and Shivansh. Shania is Samaira Jain, please be ready. Samaira Jain, youngest girl of our batch. Abir, please also come. Next is Hitansh Agarwal.
Guys, please don't leave. We have something else as well. Please sit. Next up, Rashish Agarwal.
Mrunmayee Patil.
Krisha Gupta, please be ready.